Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY ice maker and the Igloo ice maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, making them great additions to your home, kitchen, or office. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and price to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $99 US, while the Igloo ice maker is slightly more affordable at $89 US. This $10 difference might seem small, but it could influence your decision if you are on a budget. Both products offer similar features, so let's see if the price difference reflects any significant advantages. Both ice makers boast an impressive ice production rate of 26 pounds per day. The AGLUCKY model can produce 9 cubes of ice in just 6 minutes, making it slightly faster than the Igloo model, which takes 7 to 8 minutes to produce 8 cubes. This difference in speed could be a deciding factor for those who need ice quickly for parties or gatherings. Both the AGLUCKY and Igloo ice makers come equipped with a self-cleaning feature, which is a significant advantage for users looking for convenience. This feature helps maintain the hygiene of the ice makers and ensures that the ice produced is clean and safe to consume. It's great to see that both brands prioritize ease of maintenance. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Igloo countertop ice makers offer excellent features and performance for their price points. The AGLUCKY model is slightly more expensive but produces ice faster, while the Igloo model is more budget-friendly. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.